In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Squarespace subscription products. We'll be creating a subscription product inside Squarespace from the products area, adjusting the payment settings so it renews on a recurring schedule, and then publishing it so it's ready to use. This is a great option if you offer something like an ongoing consulting package or any service that customers pay for weekly or monthly. To get started, open your Squarespace dashboard and go to Products and Services. From there, click on Products. This is where all of your store items and service-based offerings are managed, so it's the right place to create a new subscription-based product. Next, click Add Product. Squarespace will show you different product types, and for this setup, choose Consulting Package. That gives you a structure that works well for a recurring service offer. Once the product editor opens, type in your product name. Make sure the name is clear and specific so customers immediately understand what they're subscribing to. After that, enter the description. This is where you can explain what's included, how the service works, and any important details a customer should know before subscribing. Now move to the payment option section and click Subscription Options. Then select Subscription Only. This is an important setting because it makes the product available strictly as a recurring purchase rather than a one-time payment. After that, edit the repeat frequency and choose whether the subscription renews every week or every month, depending on how you want to bill your customers. This should match the way you deliver the service, so take a moment to choose the schedule that makes the most sense for your offer. Once the frequency looks right, click Add and then click Apply to confirm those subscription settings. At this point, the recurring structure is attached to the product. Next, enter the price. This will be the amount customers are charged each billing cycle, so make sure it matches the weekly or monthly interval you selected earlier. It's always a good idea to quickly review the frequency and the price together so there's no mismatch. When everything is filled in, move over to Save. Then, click Publish to make the subscription product live on your site. And that's it. Your Squarespace subscription product is now set up and published. If you're creating multiple recurring offers, you can repeat this same process for each one, keeping your names, descriptions, pricing, and billing intervals consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.